or the source is your 300 volt AC supply. So kathakini simple. Jitu circuit ase, circuit of resistor, inductor and capacitor ase. Aru gotekitar across voltage measure korar karone voltmeter connect kori dise V1 V2 V3 moi draw kori disu diagram to tinita voltmeter ase. So ami kobo lage correct readings of voltmeter. Charita option dia ase kuntu hobo. So indirectly we have to calculate the voltage drop across the resistor, capacitor as well as inductor. Tar karone ki koriba RLC circuit prothomote total resistance plus actually impedance calculate koriba. So as you know, in the first of all we likhi disu yate ikini data amak di dise given resistance 10 ohm, then inductive reactance it is also